So in Adobe Bridge, as you go ahead and work around, you go around and can make your own workspace right here, just like this. You can go ahead and resize them. You can go around and rearrange them right here. But over time, what may happen is that you may mess up your workspace right here. So let's say you want to go ahead and reset out your workspace. Let's say if I were to select Essentials right here, you can see that it is still messed up. But let's say I want Essentials to be the way it was, so I just want to reset it. In that case, you can go around onto workspace right here and then simply choose reset to save layout right here, just like this. And once you do that, it returns back to normal, as you can see right here. So let's say, for example, you mess up again right here, then you can simply go around onto workspace and then reset this out to the save layout, and then it goes back to default. So I have my custom workspace right here, just like this, and even this is not the default. So the last layout is actually saved automatically. So you can go around onto workspace and then reset to the save layout, and what happens is that it simply resets out. But let's say you want to go ahead and update the workspace to the new layout that you have right here. In that case, for custom workspaces, you can actually go around and save changes to this workspace. So this becomes the new default layout. And that is how you can reset out workspace settings to default, that is the default layout, and then update out saved workspaces, that is custom workspaces, inside of Adobe Bridge. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.